Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to download a Facebook video. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Now go to Videos on Watch. Now let's find a video to download. Let's download this one. Now tap on three dots and copy the link. Now close the Facebook app and open a browser. Now paste the link and it will take you to the video. Now you have to edit the URL. Tap on the URL and tap on the edit icon. Now you have to write in mbasic before facebook.com and then tap go on your keyboard. And Facebook will load on this layout. Now tap on the video to play it. Now tap on the play button. Now tap on three dots on right hand side and then tap download. And if you swipe down the notification bar, you will see the video is downloading. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.